Everyone, Dave Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We got Daniel and Alonzo. We're doing a digital graphic for Credit Union 1 and DEI. So they are putting up their second piece, lining it up. They got their laser for their up and down. Now they're just lining up the graphic just to make sure that the pattern matches. So got here a little bit early. I forgot the graphic at the office, so I had to run up here. So it worked out good. I could get a video of these guys working. We're actually using the paste machine to paste all the graphics, and then they're lining everything up. So I think this is 8 panels that go across. And then right at Alonzo's shoulder, they're actually putting a countertop in there for the bank itself. So part of it gets cut off, but it's still a pretty cool graphic. They've been doing quite a bit of these. If you have a Credit Union 1 around you, you'll be seeing these graphics pretty much in every single one of their buildings. And then they have on another wall, when they get it, this whole wall's an ATM, and then another graphic that goes on there. So pretty cool graphics. That's what the other one will look like when it's all said and done. And then this will be the cityscape mural, which we have it on the bench. We can take a picture of it. So those are blueprints and layouts. That's kind of what it'll look like on the wall. And then that's what it'll look like when everything's said and done. So like I said, pretty cool mural. And they'll be getting that done today. So if you got questions about installing digital graphics and murals in your office, workspace, or home, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. Love to see how we can help you love the space you're in.